You got it up? What are you doing? The BRZ, brand new. Ooh, this red is so crazy. Look at that. Feather too big. Longer? Damn. I love these taillights. Check out that little wing right here. Here's Stellar V. These are nice. Got the stock BRZ wheels on the inside. Obviously, it's the stock FRS. Let me see. Stock FRS seats and everything. 100,000 miles on the chassis. So, then the seats like this right now because we got that. Yup, we got a carbon fiber trunk with the duckbill for the FRS. Ready to go. All because I don't like how the trunk looks. The trunk is very beat up. I don't know if you can see him right there. This color is so nice. It took my brother like 2 days to wrap, 1 day to like prep. We had to fix some Bondo issues in the side pillar right back here. You can't even see it. And then the whole roof, the paint was rusted. It was horrible. So we sanded it down to bare metal, primered it, and then wrapped it. So I'll put some clips up right now so you guys can see them, and then we'll get started with the install.
You think it's safe to jack it up from one side up?
No, I think you should just do all fours. Might as well.
How am I gonna raise up all fours on the side? That's what I'm saying. Like, if right now I'm trying to raise up the front, but how can I raise it up? Can I raise it from one side and then have it like this, and then bring up the other one, or?
I've done it like that, yeah.
So
I've done it once like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
And it should be fine raising it?
Yeah, you're just gonna have to be very careful. And he actually painted this. He painted this. How long did it take you to paint this?
Fucking too long.
Too long? Yeah, but the paint is magnificent, man. What do you call this color?
I don't even know.
It's pretty nice purple. Midnight purple, I guess you could say. A lot of flake.
Yeah, I forgot what it was. It was like something charity. I don't even know.
Just gonna have to be careful. Is that a tome? Is that a tome? It's a tome.
Clear.
How much are you gonna lift it right now?
I'm not raising it.
I thought you were.
No, I'm gonna check my exhaust.
Oh, okay. Real quick before we start, let's see what I'm gonna have to take off. I'm gonna have to see what's up with this, because I know that one comes with its own harness and all that. So I'm gonna have to figure all that out. It comes with everything, which is cool. It comes with the LED and the lights. Comes with the lock. Yeah, see, this is the harness that I'm talking about. It comes with it. I need to see. Okay. Yeah, see, this is the harness that plugs in, but I need to see where I unplug it from over here. Oh, I'm dumb. It's right here. That's not hard at all. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't hard at all. Put this back in. Damn. Yeah. Right there, right there. Just wait. Dang. Check that out. Now it goes with the tail lights. Looks beautiful. Just like that. We got a carbon fiber trunk. Damn. I also forgot to mention this thing is PPF'd. I don't know if you could like hear that, but that's the PPF right here. It's only PPF'd on the top, so if it ever gets sunburned, just peel off the PPF and re-PPF it. It's gonna be the tight part, but damn, that looks good. Now this one I'm gonna throw away, or honestly I might just store it, but yeah, it was beat up. Oh, he said it was hard to get those in there. I don't know what he did exactly, but he said he couldn't get them in at first.
Yeah, they're not even. Well, you need to do body work. You need to shape
or trim it, yeah.
You need to open this up more because these need to go in.
The thing is, this is supposed to come off. Like on the other trunk, like the stock trunk, it comes off, and this one it doesn't. It's glued on or whatever.
Yeah.
That's how you got it, he said. So.
Yeah. I think it'd be sick if in the future you wrap this in some like cool color.
Like
what?
what?
In a graphic.
Oh.
If you get like, if you actually make like a metal piece out of this, metal, because this is easy to shape out.
Yeah.
And then just put it so that way you can wrap a graphic over it and make it a design. So when you go to meets, you have your subs and shit.
Have like something right here, metal with engraving. Engraving.
Even that.
Damn. Perf. About to switch the license plate right now. Alright, Bobby's gonna continue on the Z. I'm gonna grab something to eat. I have stuff in the fridge. That trunk, I need to put it away. BRZ's looking nice. And then we got my WRX all the way over there. Since I haven't updated anything on the Subi, we got new fog lights. We got the DRL fog lights down there. New headlights, new grille, right? And then as we come back here, oh, and then I got the rain deflectors or whatever. Boom. New tail lights. Sequential. The front are sequential, but yeah, maybe later I'll get new ones. This is how the Subi's going right now. Look at that. I'm loving that look. I don't know if I should change the wheels or not. I haven't thought of it, but maybe. I like these though. Look good. Yeah, and before I forget, this is the third brake light for the WRX. I just haven't installed it. It has all his wires right here. I'm just finding the day to install it. I'm thinking of today doing it, but I'm not completely sure yet. We'll see later on in the video if I do. Right now this guy is working on this Z, so we'll see what we do after. We might wash the cars, but I'm not sure. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna bring the WRX right here and do the third brake light. This I'm gonna scoot it back so I can work right here and put on the third brake light. Might as well get it done today. so I got the WRX right here, the BRZ right here, and then we're gonna install this little brake light thing right here. I'm gonna see how it goes. I haven't looked it up yet, but
Okay.
alright, so we got the light bracket mounted and everything. My son helped me out, right, Yuli? Alright, so we got it up. Now we need to run the wiring, connect the wire harness, and then connect it down there as well. But the sun's going down, so I'm trying to hurry up. But can y'all see the vision? Move your head. So development, this connector, this adapter thing that they sent me with the kit does not fit for this car. I even tried using the OEM ones, doesn't fit as well. I don't know what the deal is. I think I'm just gonna have to order a different adapter. So I'll just leave the light bolted on for right now, but I have to look and see. Let's just look at what could have been, you know, had this worked out right. Man, but yeah, sun's going down. I'm gonna put this stuff away, tighten up the bolts, and just go ahead and search for an adapter for it, because that's some bullshit. Alright, later. Alright, so my third brake light was a fail. My brother's wrapping stuff up on his car. He said he's gonna start it right now, so I wanna like hear it. I want you guys to hear it as well. It's pretty damn loud. Really clean car. This guy babies it. This is his baby. Yeah, man. You're catless too, right? Yeah, catless. BRZ's catless.